Long shot. Dive into the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the phrase, long shot. This is a commonly used phrase in English, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in various contexts. A long shot originally referred to a camera shot in movies that covers a wide area, allowing viewers to see the full context or environment of a scene. Imagine watching a movie and suddenly the camera pans out to show a vast landscape or a whole city. That's a long shot. But like many terms, long shot has taken on a figurative meaning over time. In everyday English, when something is described as a long shot, it means it's unlikely to happen or succeed. It's a situation or attempt with a low probability of success. For example, if you were trying to get tickets for a highly popular concert at the last minute, it might be a long shot, because the chances are slim. To better understand, let's look at some example sentences. 1. Winning the lottery is always a long shot. 2. I know it's a long shot, but I'll try to get the project finished by tomorrow. 3. Asking the celebrity for an autograph in such a crowded place might be a long shot. As you can see, it can be used in various contexts, but the central theme remains. It refers to something with slim chances. It's always useful to know synonyms, or words that have similar meanings. For long shot, some common synonyms are outside chance, slim chance, off chance. Using these synonyms can add variety to your English expressions. So, there you have it. The phrase, long shot, isn't just for movie buffs. It's a versatile term that you can now confidently use in your everyday English conversations. We hope this deep dive into long shot has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!